Hello everyone. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all? Very good morning Sapna, Alok, Shivangi, Mitesh Bhai Patel, Manoj Kumar, Thakur Sahab, Jyoti Jha, Arun Shinde, and all rest of the students. Everyone, show me your presence first. We are starting today's session and we have very limited time. So without wasting our time, I am directly moving to the revision first. Okay, beta? And YouTube student, you can also join our application, application, so that you may be in two-way interaction. Okay, very good. Good morning, Alok, Shruti. Shruti, first time I am getting your message. Good morning, very good, very good. Okay, let's start everyone. Beta, first I'm revising the topics covered up to the last class, and I expect in today's session you will be very active, because today is the very important session, because rest of the adjustments will be discussed today. But before moving to further, always revise the topics covered till the last class. Okay, beta? Very good mornings, Krishnan. I am also fine. Okay, let's start. Beta, see, in this chapter what we read that in this chapter, beta, what we read that there are three things which we shall cover. Wait a minute. Where is the file? Just a minute. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the same file is that. Beta, we learn here that holding company, holding company is there, which always cover one more thing, that is consolidated financial statement. Wait a minute, this is the file. Yes, beta, see, in this chapter how we were proceeding. Basic fundamental steps. First we have to cover those things. Okay, beta, basic fundamentals means all the theoretical basis, all the requirement basis related to this chapter, we have already covered this. Okay, beta. Next one. After that, we were moving to the concepts with examples, and then it was the turn to practice the question with ICA study material. Okay, beta. After some concept discussion, I moved to question practice, in which I gave you homework, and definitely I am expecting that none of you have attended the question in homework. Tell me true. Is this true? You must be true at each and every time. You must be honest. Honestly answer. How many of you have solved the question in homework? I am waiting for a message. Pulkit is also here. Vedika is also here. Tell me everyone, how many of you have done the questions in homework? I am waiting. Tell me. Waiting for a message. Homework done. Alok has done. Very good. Give answer honestly. Either write done or say, sir, I have not done. I am waiting, beta. But answer must be honest. You must be honest with yourself and with your teacher also. Vedika, Pulkit, Krishnan, Jyoti, Manoj, Mitesh Bhai Patel, Shivangi, tell me. Sapna. Okay, very good. Very good. Solve नहीं किया, calculator पे किया. Okay. I have done all the illustration. You have given very good. Not done. I am feeling very happy that students are giving the answer honestly. Not done. Okay. Anyways, now my question is from those who have completed the question in homework. Is there any difficulty, any kind of new thing you found in the questions of study material? other than those which we have covered in the example. Even I don't think so. There may be 50% coverage in the study material in regards to the advancedness of the question. Beta, now I am waiting for an answer. Beta, those who have completed homework, whether they have faced any problem, like new things has come or some other things were there in the questions. Okay, Manoj is like me. I always give the same reason. Partly done. When I was the student, then I always give this answer so that I may be on both the side with the positive environment of teacher with me. So I was always giving like Manoj, that partly done, only one has left, something like that. So beta, those who have attended, not completely done, but 2 questions done. Okay, beta, Pulkit. Alok is saying no problem. He has attended. Okay. Let's revise the concept discussed till the last class. Okay. See beta. Basic fundamentally we have done. Now I am moving directly to the concepts regarding which I am discussing here. So this is the list of concepts which regarding which I was telling you. But these are the concepts. In illustration 1, cannot allocate pre and post. Okay, but that's the reason I'm asking you. Krishna is saying in illustration number 1. Don't worry, beta. We shall solve illustration number 1. Okay? And after that, is there anyone who have faced any problem in any question which have done in homework? Please tell me so that I can first clear those things. After that, we shall move to next topic. Beta, see, these are the topics which we have to complete in this chapter. We have completed up to the last class, this one and this one. These are the topics which we have covered up to the last class. Consolidation of financial statement when date of acquisition is other than balance sheet date. And regarding which I have given you homework. Okay. And abnormal profit and loss also we have covered. Yes. Illustration number 1 में कुछ तो problem है. Okay, don't worry. I am solving with you all. First illustration number 1. Don't worry. Beta, here what I want to tell you, that is one thing, that here where I am giving you a smiley in this chart, this one, adjustment number 7, adjustment number 2 and adjustment number 1. Okay, beta Pranav. Question number 7 also. Okay, don't worry. These are the adjustments which are having the same steps. Same steps? Yes. Which are having the same steps to solve what I told you in the last class. I am showing you the steps, what I told you in the last class. That is okay. I am writing here. That is only same kind of adjustments are there. That is step number 1. What we do here? Uneffect. It means add back or less from where such has been uneffect in profits. Step number 2. Then apply time adjustment. And step number 3, now re-effect. But before moving to these questions, you must have the revision of the basic fundamental which you have learned in the first group in investment chapter especially. Like you must be having the knowledge of what, sir? Knowledge of pre and post dividend treatment which you have done in investment chapter AS 13. You know, in case of investment chapter you have done pre-acquisition dividend was there, bank debit to investment. Yes, sir. In case of revenue, Bank debit to income, yes sir. In case of bonus, you have learned the concept that what the source must be utilized. And in case of dividend also, what the source must be utilized. You know, in case of bonus, you must utilize first capital profit. Yes, sir. And capital profit are here pre-acquisition profit. I'm repeating. For the bonus purpose, you must utilize first the capital profit. Yes. And capital profit in this chapter, analysis of profit for the subsidiary company are pre. Yes. So after adding back, we shall reduce from the pre first. And after that, we must be utilizing the post acquisition, that is revenue. Same is the case with dividend. Dividend must be for the dividend. First, we have to utilize the current profit, that is revenue profit, and then if there is requirement, then go for the capital profit. Don't worry, I will write. I will show you all the written steps here, and I will show you all the concept here. Don't worry, and I will practice a question in which you will be finding all the adjustment comprehensively, which is also question of our study material. Don't worry. Anyways, now I am moving to the next part of today's session. And first we shall practice question number 1 and then question number 4. Yes, I know. Those are very, very important. Yes, beta, very, very good. Very good, Abdul. You are answering perfectly, beta. Okay. Done है, हो गया, वो भी अब समझ आ गया मुझे. Okay, beta. Illustration number 4, new things come. What changes in consideration? Yes, beta, Shivangi. So, can I start now? Give me a ready. Give me a good ready so that I can start with you all in a effective manner. We must be active in the today's session, and very, very active we must. Okay, beta? See, first write down here. Answer number, problem number first. Illustration number illustration number 1. Beta, start. Illustration number 1. Yes. See, question is saying, so should I show you question? Yes. Okay. This is our study material and we are having our illustration number 1. This one. Very good. Very, very good. So, even though you have completed the question in homework, still please at least practice with me. Okay, beta? Maybe you could be having better presentation. Maybe you could be having better clarity. Definitely. See, beta, question is saying that we have to calculate minority interest, goodwill or capitalization. It means working note number 2, we have to prepare, and working note number 1, we have to prepare, and then amount of holding company's profit in consolidated profit. It means they want to know the revenue profit, or you can say post acquisition profit. Post acquisition profit, what they want to know. I am clearing you first the thing. Holding company's profit in consolidated profit and loss. Post acquisition profits of S Limited, that is subsidiary. The amount of holding company's profit in consolidated balance sheet, assuming holding company on profit and loss is this one, plus on profit of H Limited. That is, they want to know what is the consolidated reserve and surplus. Okay, but these type of questions give you a good mark. Okay, see, there is a date of acquisition. Yes, first we have to learn the date of acquisition in this one. Yes, and there are different cases. Remember, this is not a single question. There are types of cases. Okay, beta. Date of acquisition in this one, and 31st December 2021 is date of consolidation. Beta, this is the date of CBS, consolidated balance sheet. Let's prepare a chart. Case number A. Case number A. See, Case number A. Beta, this is the graph. This is the graph and CBS date, that is beta balance sheet date. Balance sheet date, at which date consolidation is being done. That is the date is 31st December 2021. Yes, sir. 31st December 2021. And the situation is this one. Case number 1. 90% date. Acha, okay. Date of acquisition is 1/1/2021. Okay. 1/1/2021 is date of acquisition. And what is the year ending date? That is same. Okay. Now, what they are saying in the case 1, they are saying that 90% have been acquired. Okay. 90% has been acquired. In this case, this is the date of acquisition, and 90% shares have been acquired by holding company. YouTube student can also show their presence by giving likes, shares, etc. Okay. And they can also join our application at ICI. Beta, cost of acquisition is what? Cost of acquisition is beta. Cost is what? Cost of acquisition, that is the investment cost, that is 1,40,000. Okay. Next one. And after that, there is one more thing, that is share capital of subsidiary company has been given. Share capital, beta. Here you will be finding share capital and reserves and surplus. Share capital is 1 lakh. That is 1 lakh. And the reserve and surplus was how much? That is 50,000 opening. 50,000. And at year end also, you were having the share capital, that is of the same amount, and reserve and surplus was there, that is 70,000. Okay, that is what? 70,000. That's another thing. In the reserve and surplus, you are having profit and loss, that may be general reserve, that may be any other. The main thing is that is the reserve and surplus balance. Now the question is, this is the graph which is showing you that this is our basic structure of this question. Okay, beta, I am copying this so that in case B, I will be using the same graph. It will save your time. And case D also, I am copying here just to save your time. So now moving to case number A here. And this is what? This will be case number B. Here it will be case number B. So beta ji, now first we have to go with the case A. So question is saying these things. Question is saying that 1 lakh is capital, this one. Okay, that's prepare. Beta, see, at the year end, we have to prepare. What we have to prepare? Number 1, working note number 1, that will give you capital or goodwill. Working note number 2, that is the minority. Working note number 3, that is consolidated reserve and surplus. And working note number 4, you will be having analysis of profit in pre and post acquisition. Working note number 1, that is calculation of, I will be copying these statements to save your time. If you have not done, then you can practice with me. Calculation of cost, COC. I am writing here in shortcut COC, but you will not be using the same shortcut in exam. Cost of control. Working note number 2, everything we shall be practicing with presentation only. Working note number 3, working note number 2 is there. MI, it is not MI phone, it is minority interest. Working note number 3, that is consolidated reserve and surplus, and after that there is working note number 4 that depends on the graph, or you can say without graph also you can prepare this. Working note number 4, that is analysis of profit, AOP. I am writing here in short, and this is what, this is the pre-acquisition, and then this is what, this is post-acquisition. Can you please give me a date of pre-acquisition in this question? Yes, sir. It is very, very easy. You can see in the graph, that is 1st Jan 2021. Okay, beta. And what is year ending date? Closing, that is 31st December 2021. Okay. I hope screen is clearly visible to all of you. Everyone, show me your activeness and answer me how to do the question. If I am doing wrong, then please correct me. I am writing in fast manner. Okay, beta. This is the investment. How you will be presenting the answer? Investment, that is the cost, that is 1,40,000, and less net assets acquired. Net assets acquired on 1/1/2021. But there are two things to calculate the net assets. You already know. You have practiced with me till the last class. Share capital, and how much percentage is there? That is 90%. So we will be applying here 90%. Yes, very, very good. Very, very good. So, and here you will be multiplying 10%, because 10% is not R, that is the minority. Again, you will be working here, share capital multiplied by 10%. And then here you will be putting the figure of pre-acquisition profit. I will be copying this working statement. So beta, please do carefully. First, you have to preset your mind what the presentation we have to do in an exam. All the profits belonging to, all the profits, whether pre or post, for minority, we shall be adding here. So I will post here directly in exam the total instead of writing separately. That will save my time in exam. So now please post here share capital, that is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh 90% is there, that is of course 90,000, and 10%, that is 10,000. What is the profit and loss balance? 50,000 is opening as per graph. So I am writing here profit and loss, that is 50,000 is opening. Yes. And what about closing? That is 70,000 at the year end, that is 70,000. What is the difference? What is the difference? Which seems that it is the post, that is 20,000. It seems that is post. Yes, of course. So there is revelation reserve. In reserve and surplus, then do we have to also devise in the same way, beta, Piyush, for each and every reserve? I am telling you. Okay, beta. Anyways, although I say I will not ask these type of question, don't worry. But still, if there is any such a kind of thing, then definitely. Now, moving to the next part of the working note, that is there any adjustment? No. So directly we shall distribute such. Okay, beta. There is no any adjustment. So directly we are distributing such. Minority interest first give to outsider, then think for your own. Second is H Limited holding, that is 90% of course. And what is the amount? That is 45,000. Sorry, 5,000 is this one, and 95,000 is this one. Sorry, 45. Next one, 20,000 there. Yes, 10% is there. That is 2,000 of course. 18,000. What is the total for outsider? Sir, that is 7,000. Okay, then first post for the outsider in the minority, and minority becomes how much? That is 17,000. That is the total. That is the total. And after that, we shall be transferring these things to the correct place. That is 45,000 is for pre, So we will be putting here, and its own balance was also there, that is 2 lakh. Holding company is having its own profit and loss balance also, profit and loss of H Limited at its own and from S Limited, that is 2 lakh, and from S Limited such is having how much, that is 18,000. Beta, this is the total. So total is 2,18,000, this one, and now after that we are totaling here, that is how much, that is 1,35,000. And what is the difference? Of course, difference is there, 5,000. What is that? That is goodwill, because extra payment has been done for the net assets, whatever we have acquired. Same thing you have practiced in the amalgamation also. I'm just telling you. Anyways, this is the case A. Now tell me, in which case you are having the problem, case B, C, or D. I will be practicing that only, so that you may save your time. The person who are asking their doubts, then please let me know in which part you are having the problem, in complete question, case A, B, C, D, or mention me a case so that I may save your time. We have to use our time smartly, because we have very limited lecture in face to face. These are having at least 15 lecture to practice with you all, but still I am trying to manage all the time. Please tell me what is the problem, in which case you are having the problem, or we have to do all the cases. At least mention there that, sir, please do all the cases. So case A we have done. Should I move to case number B? Everyone, please tell me in which case you are having the problem. In allocating pre and post. Okay, the question is clear. Next question, sir, can I directly apportion the share capital reserve surplus in this case without preparing working note? Yes, beta. Why not? Analysis of profit directly multiplying. Beta, Abdul, in this question you can do this, because this is really very easy. But where the question is requiring more adjustment, then please don't do this. Okay, beta. This is really very, very easy. So everyone is saying here, question is clear. Now next question. Okay, now moving to next question. Next doubt was for question number 4. Okay, next doubt was for question number 4. Okay, I am deleting these things, whatever we have prepared for the question, this one. So now moving to illustration number 4. That is really very, very good question. Illustration number 4. I was seriously interested to practice with your illustration number 4 in the last class. But still I want to make you all first come to the stage where the problem arises. So that's the reason I gave this question in homework, because if I will be practicing, then only I will be learning, not you all. Okay, beta. So this is the graph I am preparing here. Clear. Okay, beta. In question number 4, first please prepare a graph. First, please prepare a graph that will give you more clarity. Okay, beta. Should I show you question? Yes, sir. Show us question. Illustration number 4. This is what? Illustration number 4. And please ignore the solution of study material, and please solve the question in the manner I am giving you here, the presentation and all working. That will be more easy for you. I am not saying that completely ignore. If anyone can do practice in that way, okay, that's your choice. But I have developed this thing in the easiest manner. I think so. This is only my personal view. Anyway, now see. A Limited acquired A Limited acquires 70% of equity shares of B Limited. On which date? On 1/4/2021. Since you have since you have at least read this question in homework, so can I directly move to the graph? Yes, sir. I am moving directly to prepare the graph. Beta see. This is our first year. This is our first year. As per question, I am writing here graph. This is our first year. And starting date is there. That is, I am zooming here. Beta, please prepare a graph even though you have tried the question at homework. This is the date, that is 1/4/2021. Please prepare a graph first. 1/4/2021. This is the date. This is what this is first year. This is what this is first year. And year ending date will be definitely 31st March 2022. And here what we are finding in the question, that is share capital. What we are finding here, beta? Share capital. Share capital. Can I use abbreviation for the graph? Yes, sir. SC. I am writing here SC, share capital. Beta, that is how much at this date? That is 10 lakh. How much that is? 10 lakh. Anyways, I am not showing question now. It is the study material illustration number 4. That is how much? That is 10 lakh. Those which are watching at YouTube, they can also show their presence by giving their likes, comments, and sharing, etc. I will be waiting for them. Okay. Now there is a reserve and surplus also. Reserve and surplus also. That is profit and loss. Can I write here profit and loss? Yes, sir. So that in the next year I can use these abbreviation. Okay. I hope everyone is preparing the graph with me. Tell me, everyone is preparing? Please ignore the dosas and samosas, etc. in the morning. Those are not relevant for class. Parathas also. Please close the door and say, Mummy, please don't give me breakfast. I am doing the very important thing. Now, I am writing here, share capital balance was also there, and profit and loss balance were also there. That is how much? That is again 10 lakh. Capital has not been changed yet. Next one is, okay, there was debit balance. There was debit balance. How should I show? Either by minus symbol or by bracket. Okay, I am writing here in bracket 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Very good, very good. That's the thing I want. Everyone is giving his here message actively, and those which are not giving, those are inactive. It means they are enjoying something else. Anyways, now beta, this is again another year. This is again another year. That is this one. 31st March 2023. Should I take date different? Okay, wait. 21. Then, okay, these are the dates which have been taken different. Okay, 21. And dates. Okay, no issue. Next one, 2023. Share capital was also there. This one, and profit loss was also there. How much that is? That is again 10 lakh. No change was there. And profit loss balance was there 5,70,000. Next one. That is our third year, ending 31st March 2024. 24. Again the same capital was there. Okay. Share capital was again same. Share capital was again same. That is 10 lakh at this year end also. And then profit and loss was there. Yes, that was 10,70,000. Oh my God. The loss balance, the profit and loss balance has become 10,70,000. Okay. And then at fourth year end, at fourth year end, beta, once you prepare a graph, the question will be in your control. You will be having the command. Very good, beta Abdul. So fourth year was there, 31st March 2025. Okay. And again, the balance were there for share capital, that is the same. And profit and loss balance was there. Share capital was there, 10 lakh again. And profit and loss balance has become 11,90,000 negative. Okay. Okay. Next one. Again saying first you have to take the control on question. You have to command on the question. And for that, graph will make more easy. 31st March 2026. Share capital balance and profit and loss balance. Is there any change in share capital? No, it was also same. It was same also. 10 lakh and the profit loss balance was there. Oh, it has increased some loss. Okay, some profit were there. That is 11,40,000 balance is there. Okay. Okay, beta. Question is giving us profit and I have add or less the things accordingly. And I have put it there, the balance. This is the 6 year. That is 31st March 2007. Yes. Share capital and profit and loss. The closing balance must be calculated. Calculator पे. Share capital is same. And profit loss balance is 10,40,000. Yes. And 28 is also, that will be in your homework. Anyways, now I'm writing here. One more thing also. But instead of writing profit, I have directly put it the closing balance so that may make you more easy. Okay. Because I need these things for my working note. Otherwise, you will be mentioning the same thing that this is the loss. Loss is there. How much loss was there? That is 2,50,000. Ultimately, you need closing balance now. Closing balance at each and every year end. Yes, that will make you more easy. Still, if anyone want, then I am writing here that there are some loss. 250 lakh, then 4 lakh, and then 5 lakh 120. 5 lakh loss was there, and 120 loss was there. Sorry, I think 120. Yes, 120. 120 loss was there. What I need for preparing, I want only those things. Then profit is there, that is of 50,000. Ultimately, I need closing balance now to compare. And profit is there again, that is 1 lakh. Anyways, beta 28, 31st March 2028, that is the 7th year. I have not prepared, and that is your homework. I think you can also do the things in the same way for 28th. So now I am moving to the solution, beta. Please see. Figure of profit loss, beta. Shankran, is there anything? See how this balance has been achieved. See. Okay, I'm doing the calculation also. Opening balance is there, beta. Yes, sir. That is what? That is the profit. Opening profit and loss balance is there. That is 80,000. That is the plus figure. Yes. And then you find there is a loss. Loss current year. Current year loss were also there. How much that was? 2,50,000. you are reducing this, what will be your closing P&L balance? That is 1,70,000 negative, of course. And then for the next year, you will be finding opening P&L balance, that was 1,70,000 negative. And then again, loss were also there in the current year, that was 4 lakh. Beta, in this way, you will be finding the closing balance. So I saved your time. Still, you want to utilize your time in this way. I am okay with that also. Okay, no issue. But clarity must be there, and everyone has the right to ask your own answer. Okay, beta. Class is your personal, beta. Always ask your doubt, even though that may feel that what I ask. Anyways, beta, please always ask. Loss in the current year also, again, what is that? That is 5 lakh. Then that is the 10 lakh 70,000 loss balance. No issue, no issue, no issue. Opening P&L 10 lakh 70,000 is negative figure. Then loss in the current year, and that is how much? That is 120. Okay, then closing balance is there, 11 lakh 90,000 loss. And again, opening P&L was there, that was 11 lakh 90,000. That is the negative. That is negative. Then profit is there, that is 50,000. In this way, there will be only remaining balance is this one. And then again, the same thing, opening P&L, that is 11 lakh 40,000. Profit is there, that is 1 lakh. And again, the closing balance was there, that is 10 lakh 40,000 only loss balance. Okay, beta. Can we explain our working through graph in exam as well? Yes, beta. Whatever I am practicing here is everything in the same manner, in which you must present in exam. Graph is totally on your choice, but if you will be preparing the graph, then definitely that will be more increasing, marks increasing manner. Okay, beta. Give me a ready, everyone, so that I can start, and give me a clarity that you all are clear about the question. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Everyone must show their presence by giving the answer. I am waiting, beta. Please tell me. I am waiting. I wanted to practice this question with you all in the earlier class, but still I thought that at least you must be aware of the problem of the question. Please tell me, everyone. Everyone is ready? Yes, very, very good. Ready, clear, ready. Yes. Okay. So, beta, now question is, if CBS consideration of balance sheet is being done at this date, CBS, if this is the date. But I want to practice with you on one more thing. If this is not only the CBS date, before the CBS also, can we not calculate on 1st April 2021? Yes, we can also calculate here at this date. Beta, what I want to tell you, beta, whatever cost of control figure you will be finding on 1st April 2021, because that is the date of acquisition, always you will be having the same cost of control. Even though you will be considering the balance sheet at further date, still you will be having the same balance of goodwill or capital reserve at the date of acquisition, because you are always calculating the figure, even though considering on the next date, but still you will be calculating the figure of the acquisition date. Hence, at each and every date, you will be finding the same balance for cost of control. Same balance. That's the main theme of this question. Okay, let's practice. So first I'm preparing here some working notes. Okay, let's copy the working note from the earlier question so that I can save my time. Let's save my time. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसे टाइम बचेगा नहीं, छोड़ो, रहने दो. Okay, let's leave this. Let's prepare fresh working notes. So this is the date I am writing here. On 1st April 2021, there is working note number 1, and I will be preparing working notes, okay beta, in the same manner in which you must present in exam. Working note number 2, that is minority interest. Working note number 1, cost of control. Working note number 2, don't worry, I will save your time by copying all the graph here. Okay beta, all the working notes here, I will not waste your time. Minority interest is there. How much cost of control, how much percentage were there? That is 70% shares were there. It means 30% were for minority. And what we have to present here? First, we have to write here investment in equity share. Beta, in this way, you have to present in exam. Please prepare solution with presentation. Equity shares of B Limited, because you will be having the same name balance account in the balance sheet. And the amount is always there for cost of acquisition. What was the amount? Okay, that was that has been mentioned on the graph. That is how much investment we have done. Okay, we have not mentioned that on the graph. Okay, let's see from the question. That is cost of investment is also 10 lakh. Okay, but see, cost of investment, see, in the individual balance sheet we are having our investment at cost. Okay beta, that may different than face value. Remember, maybe another company in which we have invested, those companies are having issued the share capital at premium. It means they are taking more money. In that case, in our books, cost of investment will be higher than the face value. Okay, maybe otherwise case may be there. Anyways, now back to the question. See, so investment is there, so our cost of acquisition for investment is there. That is cost of acquisition, COA, that is 10 lakh. And don't compare immediately with share capital 10 lakh. No beta, please. In that case, you will see, able to see that this is the 100% control. No beta, no. Question is saying 70% shares they have acquired at 10 lakh. So it means we have to prepare in this way, that this is the same way. Okay beta. Now what we have done, we have invested 10 lakh to acquire the 70% shares of B Limited. Okay, less net assets acquired on, remember this date will always be same, because at each and every balance sheet you will be comparing the date of acquisition net assets with the investment balance. Okay, on 1/4/2021, that is the date of acquisition, DOA. And here net assets is represented by two things. Number 1, share capital, and then pre-acquisition reserve and surplus. Pre-acquisition reserve and surplus. If the name has been given by general reserve, okay, then general reserve, pre-acquisition, P&L, etc., etc. Very good. Someone is sending goodwill also, but I am not focusing on the answer, because I will be answering first. Okay, beta. Anyways, good. You can also mention here. Please mention always answer. Yes. Beta, see, share capital is there. Minority, in the case of minority, yes, sir. There will be two cases. Yes, A point will be share capital. I will be copying this format to save your time. And then B part is there. That is all reserve and surplus. That doesn't mean pre only or post acquisition only. B is there, that is all reserves and all profits. I will say all profits. Okay, there may be pre and there may be post for minority, post acquisition. In this way, you should present your answer in exam. Next one. Working note number 3 is there. That is consolidated reserve and surplus, in which you will be mentioning here H limited first and then S limited. Okay, beta, what is the balance? That is the sir profit and loss balance. Okay, then give heading first profit and loss. If general reserve is there, then give heading first general reserve. Now it's the turn for analysis of profit. No doubt that is very important. The main theme of the question of this chapter always surround this working note. Pre, post and closing. Working note number 4. Analysis of profits. Pre-acquisition profits up to date of acquisition, that is 1. What is that? That is 1/4/2021. Rest will be called as post, and here you will be mentioning the closing, and this closing date will be the CBS date, and this will change always, but the pre-acquisition date will not change any time, because the date of acquisition has been defined. After that only we will be having the subsidy. Sir थोड़ा AC वो कर दीजिए, पता चला मेरी कुल्फी जम गई और बच्चे कह रहे सर हिल नहीं रहे. Anyways, now I am copying the format. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, this one. गड़बड़. Okay, Control V. Okay. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now please see beta. First we are calculating on 1/4/2021. Are you ready? Give me a ready. Everyone, show me your energy. We have prepared all the format and we will be practicing in effective manner. Give me a start, everyone. I am waiting, beta. I need to start from all of you. So first, share capital 70%. Share capital is how much? That is 10 lakh, and 10 lakh 70%. There is, of course, 7 lakh. And here 30% is there. That is how much? That is 3 lakh. Next one, what we have to mention here on 1st April 2021. Remember, if you are calculating on 1st April 2021 and if it is the same date, balance sheet date, then you will be mentioning here both the same date, 1/4/2021. In that case, there will nothing will be there which can be called post. The profit and loss balance is there. How much? That is, of course, no doubt, 80,000 has been given, and we are calculating on the same date. First, we are calculating on the same date. 80,000 is there, and there is nothing which can be called as post. Hence, 80,000 is clearly pre. Okay, 80,000 is clearly pre. But there is no any adjustment, so we are directly distributing the same thing between two. Minority interest, that is of course 30%, and holding part, that is of course 70%. 8 या 24, 24,000, 8 56, 56,000, and there is nothing which can be called as post. But a total profit of minority will be 24,000. First, we are posting 24,000 to minority. 24,000 to minority. I am not giving the configuration or detail of pre and post for minority. I am directly putting the closing balance. Now, 56 has to be posted here with this cost of control 56,000. So on the date of acquisition, I paid 10 lakh to achieve what? 756 rupees net assets. It means, सर ऐसी बंद कर दो, कुल्फी जम जाएगी. It means goodwill is there for 2,44,000. I think I'm right. 2,44,000. Yes, that is what? That is goodwill. And total of the minority interest is 3,24,000. There is nothing which can be transferred to consolidated reserve and surplus. Okay, beta. Holding company balance is there or not? Is there any holding company balance? No, holding company balance has not been given. So we are not mentioning here. Now, coming to next part of the solution for the first year ending. Now give me clear that 1/4/2021 is okay. Please give me okay. Okay, 1/4/2021. Everyone, we have completed the first stage because beta, this is the stage at which date you will be finding the goodwill 2,44,000, and that will remain same at each and every balance sheet 2,44,000. Everyone, please give me a clarity that 1/4/2021 is okay. Now we are moving for the next part, that is 31st March 2022. 31st March 2022. Clear, sir? Okay. Now give me also one more thing. This chapter is easy or tough? I don't think so. You will be saying easy, that it is tough. Don't say like others, as others says. Anyways, now on 31st March 2022, we will be mentioning here the closing balance of profit and loss. That is how much? That is 5 lakh. Sorry, that is how much? That is 1,70,000. Yes, 1,70,000 negative balance. Yes, okay. So in this case, wait a minute. Yes, this is the date. This is the date. We have to change 31st March 2022. And balance of profit loss is there, that is 1,70,000. So I am mentioning here first the date, that is 31st March 2022. Easy. Yes. 31st March 2022. Beta, what was the balance of profit and loss? Sir, yes, beta. Sir, at the date of acquisition, it is always same 80,000. Yes, beta, that can never be changed because the past has gone. Yes. At year end, the balance on this date was 1,70,000. It means after the date of acquisition, there were loss of rupees 2,50,000. That is what? That is loss. Can I show this by negative symbol? Yes. Now next, there are two parts of this. Number one, that is minority interest. Number two, that is holding part. And this is what? This is 30%. This is 70% as per the question. And this is what? 24,000, 56,000. 56,000. Next one. And 75,000. This is what? This is 75,000 for minority. 25 या 75, 25 सत्ते 225. This is what? This is 2,25,000. Sorry, 225 हो गया ना, 25 सत्ते 175. 175,000. 175,000. बेटा, what is the total for minority? That is कैलकुलेटर कहाँ है? अरे सर, कैलकुलेटर कहाँ भाग गया? But I am not getting your answer. What you are trying to say, Krishnan? 5 में 4 के बचे 1 और 7 में 2 के बचे 5. 51,000. 51,000 is the balance for this one. 51,000 is the balance for this one. That is the minus balance. And share capital was how much? Of course, 3 lakh. And it was 7 lakh. Now, pre-acquisition part is there. That is 56,000. That has to be posted here. 56,000. Hence, it has become always 7,56,000, and that will give you a goodwill always, the same goodwill. That is 2,44,000 goodwill. And this is what? 2 inches, 249,000. Now next one. 175,000 is the revenue nature. That will be posted here in consolidated reserve and surplus, the holding company share. That has to be posted here. Beta, now please tell me, 31st March 2022 is okay? Give me okay, 2022. I am waiting, beta. Now, Krishnan, sir, in the previous section, you do section. Section, beta. I'm not getting section, beta. A part. Anyways, I am waiting, beta, everyone. Now next date is 31st March 2023. 31st March 2023. And beta, capital remains same, 7 lakh and 3 lakh. Why to waste your time? Yes, sir, clear. Next one, beta, as per graph. Now, moving to the next part, that is, beta, how much balance is there? Profit and loss. First mention date, 31st March 2023. Profit and loss balance is there. Beta, 80,000 is here. That will always remain same. And the closing balance is there. That is minus 5,70,000. Beta, in 2 years, you have got the loss, beta, of 2 years. Remember, 2 years loss will be combined. That will be called as post acquisition. See the graph. Now you are at second year end. What should be your post-acquisition loss? Of course, both of these will be your post-acquisition loss. How you will be getting? By comparing 31st March 2023 with the 31st March, 1st April 2021. Okay, beta? So, here you are finding in 31st March 2023 question, this is what this is. 31st March 2023. Have I changed the date? Yes. Now at this date you will be finding the post acquisition loss, that is of course how much? That is 6,50,000. Okay, are you practicing with me, everyone? I want attention from all of you. Give me that, sir. We are practicing with me. We are not enjoying the other thing. Beta, since it is really very easy chapter, sometimes we get bored. It is very easy. It is very easy, and we are focusing something else. Beta, so please don't do this. This is easy because you are practicing a lot. Number one part is minority, since there is nothing adjustment. Number two part is there, that is holding companies part. 30%, then 70%. 8 या 24, 8 या 24, 24,000, 8 सती 56, 56,000. YouTube student can also show their presence, and they know how to show their presence. Yes, sir. We are practicing with you. ये हुई ना बात, शिवांगी बेटा, सपना, ठाकुर साहब, आलोक, very good. And rest all the student. उनको पराठा हजम नहीं होगा जो इस टाइम पर पराठा खा रहा होगा, मैं पहले बता दूं तुम्हें, इसलिए प्लीज क्वेश्चन पे फोकस करो. They will not digest which are enjoying the parathas. Focus on the question now. 455,000. And what is the final balance? That is 171,000. So 171,000 we have to post here with the minority. The total will be 3 lakh minus that is 1,29,000. Okay. Now 56,000, that is the same, always same. मुझे तो लगता है ये वाला वर्किंग नोट उठा के कॉपी कर देना चाहिए, टाइम और बच जाएगा. This is always 2,44,000. That is always goodwill. The goodwill. Post acquisition is there. Minus 4,55,000. सर दूध पी सकते हैं क्या? यस बेटा प्रणव. दूध 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 है वंडरफुल, पी सकते हैं रोज ग्लास फुल दूध. Anyways, now moving to next part of the question, that is for 2024. I think first we must copy this because the format has been filled. Yes, अच्छा हो मैंने यहीं पे कॉपी कर लिया. शुरू करते हैं. कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल वी, कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल वी. 25, 26. Okay. 27. Yes. Yes, I have copied the format and I am saving your time, beta. Now it's the turn for 31st March 2024. Yes. Now please focus on the graph and mention the profit and loss every time, each and every time. Only AOP get changed and your answer also change accordingly. Anyways, see, share capital is there, that is 7 lakh, and share capital is there, that is 3 lakh for minority. And now mentioning here the date of consolidation, that is 31st March 2024. If someone is feeling that I am practicing fast, then they can stop me. I will change my speed accordingly. Although lots of the time students usually say that, sir, please go fast. Profit and loss balance is there. How much that is on 31st March 2024? 31st March 2024, that is 10 lakh 70,000 is negative figure. 10 lakh 70,000 is negative figure. प्रणव ऐसा मत करो यार, कह रहे सबको एक ही हाफ पैंट पहना दो, ऐसा मत करो। सबको कैसे कर सकते हैं प्रणव? एक ही साथ नहीं कर सकते बेटा, ठीक है बाबू। ये एक्चुअली सेपरेट क्वेश्चन के सेपरेट सेपरेट मार्क्स होते हैं ना प्रणव, ठीक है शैतान। एक्चुअली फिर वो मार्क्स भी सबके नाम के एक ही दे देगा। योर स्पीड इज ओके, ओके बेटा। नाउ व्हाट इज द पोस्ट एक्विजिशन बेटा? ऑफ कोर्स पोस्ट एक्विजिशन 31st March 2024 you will be having the post acquisition profit or loss. How much on 31st March 2024 you will be having how much? So we can easily find, we can do total 2,50,000 loss plus 4 lakh 6 lakh 50 plus 5 lakh that is 11 lakh 50,000 will be our post acquisition loss by comparing the closing balance on 31st March 2024 along with 1/4/2021. That is very easy. That is very easy. That's the reason I told you beta, first do the total. So you will be having here post acquisition loss, that is 11,50,000. What is the ratio? First we have to put for minority, then we have to put for holding company, and this is 30%, and this is what, 70%, 24. Okay sir, color change करो, ये तो माइनॉरिटी का है ना, उसका तो काला कर देना है। ओके 8 से 56 56,000. Okay, wait a minute, I am taking the calculator, just a minute. 11,50,000 का 30% कितना हो गया? हाउ मच इज that is 3,45,000. 8,05,000. And what is the total? Minus 345 plus 24, that is how much? That is 3,21,000. Yes, 321 is the loss. Sir, minority will be negative. Let them negative. If loss is there, then what we can do? Many of us usually waste our time to think that how such can be negative. But don't waste your time. It's not your turn. That is the question requirement. Next one, cost of control 56,000. Easy कम करता हूँ मैं, मर गया. 56,000. That is the post pre-acquisition. How much that is? 7,56,000. Bete, what is the goodwill? Of course, same always. 244,000. And then here 8,05,000 you have to mention here. I am waiting beta Is there any problem? Otherwise, write down here 31st March 2024 is okay. Please, I am waiting, beta. Please write here 31st March 2024 is okay if you are okay with this. Otherwise, write the problem. Beta, it's yes, beta Abdul. If this question will come, then definitely marks will accordingly as per the requirement. Okay. I am waiting, beta. Check 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes. Only two has answered. Two have answered. Now moving to this one. 31st March 2025, beta. 31st March 2025. अभी 8:30 बजे करेंगे ब्रेक. बच्चों का फ्लो बना हुआ ना. 31st March 2025. So again, beta, share capital is same. Yes, sir. 7 lakh and 3 lakh. And what is the balance of profit and loss? Again, we have to mention here 31st March 2025. This is 80,000. And what is the closing balance? That is minus 11 lakh 90,000. It means in post acquisition, you will be having the loss of 12 lakh 70,000. Norat 17. Two parts are there. Number one, minority interest, that is 30%. Number two, holding company, that is for 70%. 8 × 24, 8 × 56. को तो काला कर देना ना, लाल नहीं. 56. And here you will be having how much? That is 3,81,000 as a loss. Final balance for minority becomes minus. That is what? That is how much? Okay, ये minus का है ना, 351 हो गया minus का. Sorry, 381 हो गया minus का, और ये plus का कितना है? 24. Okay, that is 357,000 minus. And here that is how much? 12,70,000 का 30% minus ये हो गया 889,000. Next one. First, give their share to them, minority. Minus 357,000. But a minus 57,000 is the balance total. And for that, of course, the same as usual always, 56,000. Total becomes 756,000. And then goodwill becomes 2,44,000. In case of consolidation, minus 889,000 is there. So I don't think so. There is not, more need to practice for the next year still. Since we have prepared, okay, let's practice this one also. After that, we will be practicing in the homework. Okay, beta. This is what? This is 27. Sorry, 26. 26. Beta, 7 lakh is share capital, 3 lakh is share capital for minority, and analysis of profit is there. First mention the date, 31st March 2026. Profit and loss balance is there. This is what? This is 80,000. And then balance is there. That is 11,40,000. It means how much was loss? That is 12,20,000. And then minority, and then होल्डिंग कंपनी 30%, 70%, 24,000, 56,000, 366, 366,000, 854,000, 366,000, 24,000. That is 3,42,000. Posting again 342 to minority, 342 to minority, and 42 is the final balance. Now posting here again, the same thing is there. That is 56,000, 7,56,000, and 2,44,000 is goodwill. Minus 854,000 is there for consolidated. Yes. Now tell me, is there any problem up to this? Beta, give me okay up to this. I am waiting, beta. How many of you are answering? I am waiting, beta. I am waiting, beta. Everyone. Everyone, tell me up to this everything is okay, beta, or not? Okay, up to this everything is okay. Now, beta, we are taking a break. During the break, please give your feedback, whatever feedback you are having about my class. Please give your feedback. I will wait. Okay, beta. And after that, after the break, we shall be practicing our these adjustments. Okay, beta, and these also. First, we shall cover some example for these adjustment, and after that, we shall be taking a question in which you will be finding comprehensive question. Means many adjustment will be there in a single question, and that will be your revisionary question. Okay, two questions are there which are revisionary question which will cover your all adjustments. First, we have to understand the examples. Okay, beta, with the concept. Anyways, now taking a break, and I will be waiting for your feedback, beta. Sir, please break लगा दीजिए. Hello, students. I hope everyone has come back to class. Beta, please show me your message that you are in class now. I am waiting, and we are moving to the next adjustment. Next adjustment, beta. Please show me your presence. I am waiting, beta. Everyone. Alok, Piyush, Shivangi. Okay. Message start. Pranav, there may be case of bonus. Don't worry. Wait a minute. Okay, beta. I will be covering those things. First, read these adjustment, and after that, that can also be solved. Don't worry. Now, see, dividend and bonus. These are the adjustment. First, we are covering these. Beta, I am writing here bonus. Bonus. Bonus shares issue. Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me how the bonus shares were issued? Yes, sir. There were two types of bonus shares, and always bonus is given in the fully paid up shares. Yes. There were two types of questions in the bonus shares issue chapter. Number one, number one, we have learned these things. I am revising the concept. Number one, for issuing bonus, please note down bonus to fully paid up equity shareholders. Fully paid up equity shareholders. Number one. Another point was also there in the syllabus in that chapter, that is for converting the partly paid up equity shareholders into fully paid up equity shareholders. As you know, yes, beta, very good. As you already know, that in this case, company doesn't require any final, company doesn't create any final call, and without taking final call, company directly convert the shares into fully paid up without taking any money. Beta, see, as per company law, we have to do accounting. Yes, sir. And as per company law, there were some sources for the bonus issue. Can you please tell what were the sources? Yes, one of the student has told. Pranav, very good, beta. Very good. I am writing here 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And in case of partly paid up, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Beta, there were some provisions in law which we need to comply here. Accordingly, we have to issue the bonus. We have already learned in that chapter. Beta, I am just revising the same concept here. Can you please tell what were the resources? What were the sources from which bonus shares can be issued for these two types of questions which we have learned in that chapter? I am waiting, beta. Who will tell me? I am waiting. Who will tell me Yes. Very good. Students are now answering. Yes, beta. Very, very good. Very, very good. Those who are not answering, why they are not answering, beta? I am still waiting. I am waiting for your answer, beta. Please answer. Yes. Beta C. In this case, first we utilize CRR, capital redemption reserve. Very good. Capital redemption reserve. Then security premium. SPR. Then capital reserve. And then free reserve and surplus. These are the source. But in case of converting them into fully paid up without taking money, without taking out of these, what the resources they can use? Beta, they can use here only last two. It means capital reserve and free reserve and surplus. Yes, sir. What company did? Company did just one thing. Company did just one thing. In this case, whatever the case may be, company capitalized its profit. If I'm preparing this balance sheet in the horizontal format, then it will be like this. Balance sheet is there, share capital head is there, and reserve and surplus head is there. Yes. Some of the reserves has been capitalized. It means some of the reserves transferred to share capital. The free shares. Okay, beta. Free shares. These are called bonus. Bonus means free and shares means shares. Beta, see, in this case, company did this. It means company has utilized its profit or loss. Yes. And we must know what the profits are first utilized. Beta, first we utilize as per this sequence. That is capital nature profits are used first. Am I saying right? Capital nature profits are used first. Okay. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. That's another thing. I'm not discussing the that chapter complete concept. That there may be different cases. Only the bonus shares can only be given to fully paid up. Bonus shares can not be partly paid up. Only the cash realized reserve must be utilized. Security premium can also not be used if that is has not been realized in cash. Okay. Anyways, now coming to the main chapter. Beta, here in the case of subsidiary also, we will be finding what we will be finding, sir. We will be finding the profits balance. And the main purpose here is consolidation of subsidiary profit with the holding company profit. This is the graph of S Limited, and there will come an adjustment for the bonus shares. Beta, this is the date of acquisition. Okay. And this is okay. Let's take this date of acquisition different other than balance sheet. This is beta opening balance sheet date. Yes. This is closing date. Yes. At this date, CBS is being done. Yes. Consolidation of balance sheet is being done. Okay. The date of acquisition is there. This one. This is the date of acquisition. Okay. Now my question is, if company subsidiary limited has the 1 lakh rupees as opening balance in reserve and surplus. See, profit and loss is there only. Okay, beta. And reserve and surplus closing balance is there. That is 120. It seems 20,000 is there, the post acquisition, and you already know that is not only the post acquisition. If question is giving here that bonus shares have been issued, bonus shares issued at this date, This is the date of bonus shares issue. And I am preparing analysis of profit. But see, if I have bought 70% shares and total number of shares were 1 lakh. Sorry, 10,000. 10,000. Take it as 10,000. How many shares we have acquired? Can you please tell? Everyone, I am waiting for your answer, beta. How many shares we could acquire if this is the date of acquisition, that is, okay, take one date. This is January 1st and take this 31st December and this is what April, January, February, March. 1st April and bonus date is there, May, June, July. 1st July. Now tell me, how many shares we have acquired if we have acquired 70% of the shares? I am waiting, beta. How many shares we have acquired? We means holding company. Of course, 7,000. Very good. Now, these are the shares in the hands of holding company. Those are how much? Those are 7,000 which holding company has acquired. Now, my question is, what will be total number of shares at the year end in the balance sheet of subsidiary company if the bonus shares have been issued by ratio 1:2? 1:2. I am waiting, beta. How many shares will be at year end balance sheet of subsidiary company? I am waiting, beta. YouTube student can also give answer by giving their likes, share, subscribe, etc., etc. They can also show their presence by sharing. Anyways, beta, I am waiting, beta. Those who are answering at chat box, please tell me. Yes. Yes. How many shares are total? Piyush has answered perfectly, beta. Beta, see. If bonus shares have been issued in the ratio 1:2, it means the company S Limited, of which opening balances are there 10,000. It means during the year, company has issued bonus shares further. Bonus shares, how many shares? 10,000 multiplied by 1/2 is equal to 5,000. It means at year end, in the balance sheet, total number of shares in the balance sheet, there will be 15,000. Can you please also tell what the number of shares will be in our hand at year end? How many shares will be there in H Limited's hands at year end? I am waiting, beta. Oh. I am waiting. Waiting. Tell me, everyone, how many shares are there in the hands of H Limited? Am I also the shareholder who will be getting the number of shares free? Will my share also increase? Will my share also increase? Very good. Tell me, beta. Yes. Sir, I am the holder of 7,000 shares on 1st April. Yes. And bonus was given on 1st July. Yes. Then I will also be the shareholder who will be getting the free shares. Yes. So it means I will also be getting in the same ratio. Yes. 7,000 multiplied by 1/2. It means 3,500 shares will also be given to me free of cost. Yes. And I will be the holder of 10,500 total number of shares at year end. Okay. Can you please tell me, still the percentage will remain same? Yes. Please calculate. 10,500 is there. Yes. Of total share 15,000. Yes. What the percentage will be there? So of course 70%. Okay. It means if bonus have been issued, then also still the percentage of holding will be same. Now my question is, and I will be die-heartedly waiting from all of you, beta. If company has issued on 1st July the bonus shares, and for which purpose the company must be utilizing its at the rate of 10 rupees, it means company will be utilizing its 50,000 rupees profit utilized for bonus issue. Yes, of course. Bonus issue, yes. Now I am preparing my analysis of profit for the question, and I want to ask you one thing only, and I know you will be answered correctly. I know you will be answered correctly. Only the thing is there that you must be understanding where the figure are. Beta, this is my analysis of profit for the year. Yes. There is closing balance. Yes. That is on which date? That is on 31st December. Okay. 2022 laga lo. And this will be the balance of, profit and loss is there. Yes. Closing balance is there on 31st December 2022. Balance is there 1,20,000. And we have to find out date of acquisition is here. We have to find out our pre and post acquisition profit. Profit and loss balance is there. Yes. Up to this, everything will be pre, up to which date? Up to 1st April. Yes, sir. And rest will be post. Yes, sir. Now my question is, what is the profit and loss balance on opening? So that is 1 lakh. Okay. Which is clearly pre. Yes. And 20,000 seems that we have earned during the year. But beta, 50,000 has been utilized. Now my question is, 50,000 has been reduced or not from the profit? Yes. Because while company issue the bonus shares, company reduced its profits and capitalize them into the share capital. Yes, it means profits are utilized by reducing. Yes. Now my question is, 50,000 profit have been reduced from this 1 lakh or this 120. My question is this. Can you please tell me from where such 50,000 have been reduced? I am waiting, beta. From where such 50,000 rupees profit utilized for bonus issue has been reduced? I want to add back. The bonus for the purpose of bonus. I have utilized my profit from which we have reduced this 50,000. First, we have to add back. Very good answer by Abdul. Beta, rest, please check. Don't think where it should be reduced. Think where such has been reduced. Was the decision taken before 1st July? No. Was there any bonus issue before July 1st? No. Then how such bonus shares have been issued? 50,000 has been reduced from 1 lakh? No. That's another thing that must be utilized from 1 lakh. But now my question is, listen to me very carefully. 50,000 has been reduced from 1 lakh or this 20, or you can say 120. Of course, 120 beta, because decision was not taken at the time the profit was calculating 1 lakh. That has been taken on 1st July. So we shall add back first. As you know, we have written some steps in the earlier class regarding the abnormal loss, profit and loss. Yes, the same steps are here. First, add back from where such have been reduced. First, add back from where such have been reduced. And this 50,000 has been reduced from 120. It means this 20 has been there, in which the effect has gone. Now I am adding back. Now I am adding back this 50,000 because this 50,000 was affected, was reduced from this. Now this is the correct profit which have been earned during the year. This is the correct profit that have been earned during the year. But 70,000 belongs to pre or post or both? Can you please tell? 70,000 profit was there that has been earned during the year in the pre period or post period or both? Give me answer. I am waiting. 70,000 belongs to both period or post acquisition period or pre acquisition period? I am waiting, beta. I am waiting. 70,000 belongs to pre, post or both? I am waiting. Yes. Very good, Abdul. Very good, Alok. Very good, Jyoti. Very good, Pranav. Very good, Alok. Shabash, beta. Now my question is from those who are saying post, beta. Beta, see, 70,000 is the profit. Yes, that has been earned during the year, Babu. The profit was there that has been earned during the year. During the year that has been earned. It means the profit 70,000 is not only of post or not only of pre, those have been earned during the year. During the year. Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to calculate the pre-acquisition profit first. How much profit was earned during the pre-acquisition period? It means before the date of acquisition, whatever the profit we have earned out of such total 70,000. So we have to apply time adjustment. We have to apply time adjustment, beta. See, we are applying here time adjustment. It means the correct profit must be shifted to the correct period. And the time duration is there up to April. Starting from January, February, March, April 1st. It means January, February, March. It means 3 months are there in the pre. And 9 months are there in the post. 9 months are there in the post acquisition period. So we shall first shift the profit which should not be there. That must be shifted to the correct period. So beta, apply the time adjustment, and 70,000, from 70,000 we have to shift the 3 months profit to the pre-acquisition period, because the pre-acquisition period is also there. 70,000 was earned during 12 months. So how much amount is that? 3 divided by 12 is equal to 17,500. We have reduced from here and posted to pre-acquisition. And now, wait a minute. And now, beta, after that, we could be able to find out the correct profit of pre-acquisition period, which can be called as pre, which can be called as capital profits, and the correct post-acquisition period profit. $52,500. Now reduce the profit as per the requirement. But a bonus must be utilized. Bonus must be utilizing the capital profit first. So first we shall reduce from the pre-acquisition period profits. Yes, less. Bonus issued. First, we shall be utilizing the capital profit. If capital profits could not be sufficient, suppose they are the figure 1,17,500. If such 1,17,500 is not there and the figure is there less than 50,000, then first we shall be utilizing the capital profit. If it still remain the same, then we have to post to post acquisition. Same way as the concept is there. first we shall be utilizing the capital profit, and after that, if we still requirement is there, then that has to be compensated by free reserve and surplus. That is the post acquisition, of course, in this question. Yes. So beta ji, this will be your correct profit. Okay. 117,500 minus 50,000. That is 67,500 is the correct profit in pre-acquisition. And there is no need to utilize the post-acquisition period profit. Yes, sir. That is really very, very easy. Very, very easy. Sir, what is the treatment if the bonus shares declared by board of directors before acquisition of shares? Very good. Issue date after the date of acquisition. Very good. I was also expecting the same question as usual in each and every batch. But one of the student is asking, see, but before that, taking that doubt, I must ask you whether bonus shares adjustment is clear or not. Give me a clear bonus adjustment. Otherwise, I will think there is a problem and write down here the problem. Either give me green or red signal. Everyone waiting. I am waiting, beta. Abdul, change your name. The name here is being showing as Patate Wala Khojama. Otherwise, give me clear that it is your name. So, I did not get bonus issue, sir. Krishnan. Okay, beta. Krishnan, listen to me. Where the problem is, beta? Krishnan. Do you understand this concept, beta? That belongs to your earlier chapter covered in first group. Beta? Don't think I am with you. Until and unless each and every student will get satisfied, I will not proceed to further. So, beta, first tell me, beta, Krishnan, Piyush, beta, because we have the concept of prudence, first we should utilize the capital profit, beta. That's the reason. Piyush, okay? Now tell me, beta, Krishnan, are you clear with this basic chapter of bonus? The concept of bonus, first we are utilizing the capital profit. Krishnan, yes. Okay, beta. Now, beta, what we are doing here? Beta, bonus shares were issued on which date? 1st July. One of the students was asking, so what happens if the bonus shares have been issued before date of acquisition? Beta, in that case, we will be holding only when we will be buying more. Okay, beta? Okay, okay, beta? Someone who has asked. Now, bonus shares have been issued on 1st July after the date of acquisition. Okay. Now, for analysis of profit, we need to concentrate on one thing, that this is the borderline. Up to this, every profit will be treated as capital profit. Yes. Up to this, all the profit will be what? That will be capital profit. So, beta, first we have to calculate what is the profit earned during the year, and that has to be calculated. That has to be calculated in pre and post acquisition. First, we must calculate what the profit have been earned during the year. Beta, the closing balance of 120 has been given. This has been given after reducing of bonus. Yes, but this opening balance is before reducing the bonus, because the bonus decision was not taken up to the last. Okay, defaulted by IC. Okay, by default by IC, that name has been allotted. Okay, now please focus on this, beta. 1 lakh is the figure from where such bonus amount has not been reduced for utilizing the profit. Yes, because the bonus decision was not taken at that time. Okay, so it means 1 lakh is not there from which such amount has been reduced. Okay, so it means 120 is there, that from where such profit have been reduced. Yes, because the bonus was issued during the year, and the closing balance will be after reducing such bonus utilized for profit. Okay, yes. it means the effect is there in this case. In this 20,000, such effect has gone. Now step number first is there. First an effect. First an effect. So we add back in this 20,000, this 50,000, and to get the profit earned during the year. The profit earned during the year means from 1st Jan to 31st December. That is the profit earned during the year. How much that is? That is this one. This 70,000 is the profit that has been earned during the 12 months. Now, this belongs to total period of 12 months. From this, we have to shift 3 months period profit. See, 3 months period profit we have to shift here because 70,000 belongs to total 12 months. 70,000 belongs to total 12 months. And after that, we have to calculate if we will reduce this 3 months profit, then we will be able to find out the remaining 9 months profit that will be called as a post acquisition period that belongs to this period. This is the period. This is the period that is called post acquisition. Okay, beta. So we reduce this 3 months profit and we shifted this to the back to pre-acquisition period. And pre-acquisition in pre-acquisition there were already 1 lakh rupees, and along with that, that becomes total 117,500. First, we segregated the capital profit and revenue profit. And you know, in case of bonus shares, you have learned the concept of prudence that first we must utilize the capital profit because we have very limited use of the capital profit. So first we utilize, and we are utilizing here, we are reducing from the pre-acquisition profit. Okay, beta, there is no need to utilize the post-acquisition. I hope I could make you clear, beta. Please tell me, Shankaran. Beta, please tell me, Shankaran, Krishnan, Sharan Krishnan. I am waiting, beta. I am still waiting. I am still waiting, beta. Everyone. Okay, not everyone. Only Shankaran. Beta, please tell me. And in regards to this, I am giving you homework of illustration number 6 of ICAI study material. Yes, sir. Okay, beta. Beta, this is your homework. In regards to bonus, beta, that belongs to bonus question, bonus shares issue. Please do in homework. Now I am moving to the next question. Next concept, beta, we have discussed bonus shares issued by subsidiary company. The same treatment will continue if partly paid up. Yeah, beta, absolutely same, beta, Abdul. There is no question that we are issuing bonus to partly or fully paid up. No, beta, in case of partly, we are converting them. Then only we can say that those are being issued to partly. That same treatment will be there. Now, moving to the most important, which is always part of exam. Always. When the holding company question comes, then it is always part of question in the exam. Dividend adjustment. And this is really very, very easy. It is more than easy, more than other concept. It is very, very easy as compared to other concept. So I am now writing here the next heading, that is adjustment for dividend. Okay, beta, please write down here. Dividend adjustments. Dividend. Sir, why you are writing adjustments? Dividend is a single word. No, actually dividend is a single word, but dividend used to come to us in question into two parts. You know, dividend are of two types. Yes, sir. Please prepare a chart. That is really very, very important chart. Dividend. YouTube students, they can also show their presence by giving their likes, comments, etc., sharing, etc. Otherwise, you will not be digesting the parathas, as the student says. Anyways, beta see, there are two types of dividend. You know, one is interim and second one is final. One is interim and second one is final. Beta, in case of interim, what do you mean by interim? Sir, it is very, very easy. Beta, how it is? See, sir. There is a year. Yes. This is the complete year. Yes. Starting from 1/4/2022 and 31st March 2023 in our exam. I'm taking the same financial year here. So this is the year, yes. And management wants to us. Management is giving us information that this year profit will be very, very good, very, very high. So we can distribute some profits to shareholders. It means even though the profit and loss, final profit and loss will be at this stage, final profit loss will be calculated at this stage, still management want to give some dividend in advance, give some profit in advance. I am writing here beta in advance. It means the final dividend will be less as compared to this. Sir, give some other example also. Beta, you know, we used to eat sometimes during the duration when the food is being prepared by our mother in kitchen. Yes, sir. It means we are taking the interim dividend. While the lunch will be provided to us on the dining table, then will we eat more? No. At that time, at the final time, we shall be eating less because we have taken some advance. The same is the case with interim dividend. Interim dividend is just like the advance payment of dividend, which seems to be paid on the final stage. So beta, it is called interim. Now, why we are saying it interim? Because beta, when the dividend is given between two balance sheet date, it is called interim. Interim, antrik. Okay, beta. This is calculated on the share capital. This is calculated the share capital on the date of, or you can say on this date, whatever the share capital will be there, on that such percentage is calculated. Now my question is, and I will be waiting from you. Okay, beta, please answer me. The profit being distributed here belongs to which year? This year or past year? Can you please tell? The profit being distributed as interim dividend here, interim dividend, that belongs to which year? This current year or last year? Can you please tell? This interim dividend belongs to current year or last year? I am waiting, beta. Tell me, everyone. I am waiting, beta. Like we eat during the class, so after that we cannot be able to do heavy breakfast daily. Yes, beta Abdul, you are saying right. Krishnan is saying past year. Jyoti saying this year. Abdul is saying past year or current year month also. Very good. Abdul has solved all the problem. He has covered all the option. Very good, Abdul. Beta, those who have answered current year is correct because the current year profit is being paid in advance. As I have already told you that the final profit seems to be positive. Hence, some of the profit has been given in advance to the shareholders. It means the profit belongs to this year is being distributed. It means interim dividend is always belonging to current year. Beta, please give a note here. Always current year. Or you can say belongs to, or you can say always belongs to, always belongs to current year. Okay. It means we can write here that is revenue nature. Revenue nature. No, not revenue nature. It totally depends on date of acquisition. Okay, beta. Suppose the date of acquisition is this one. If this is the date of acquisition, then definitely out of such some profit will be belonging to this period, and up to this period dividend will be pre-acquisition dividend. Yes. And after that, all the dividend belonging to next duration of this current year will be post-acquisition dividend. We have to find out pre-acquisition dividend and post-acquisition dividend also. Okay, beta. First, we have to understand the basic theme of the dividend first. I am revising here the topics covered in the first group so that you may be able to link the topic. Only after that, you could be able to solve the concept covered in holding company chapter. So I think you are now comfortable to calculate how much profit belongs to pre-acquisition, that will belongs to pre-acquisition period. Even the profit belongs to current year, that may be of two part. It depends totally on date of acquisition. Now, moving to the next part of the question, next part of the concept, that is final dividend. Final dividend. You already know this, the name is clearly signifying itself. Final dividend. Better see. Final dividend are of two types. Of course, of two types, although in our question, we will be having only single type. First, we must understand. One is proposed, or you can say one is direct proposed and then paid. Although as per law nowadays there is no any proposed. Okay, beta, but still usually question can cover this topic. So I am writing here just to make you safe. Okay, beta, proposed and then paid. Second point is there, that is directly paid. Directly paid. If directors, or you can say management, is recommending that we can take some profit advance, then it will be called interim. Now, last point is that at the year end, if management is on the intention that we can, they have recommended that there is some profit that can be distributed. So, beta, provision has been made. Provision made, like outstanding expenses. So, beta, in that case, what happens? Profit and loss get reduced and proposed dividend is shown as a liability in the balance sheet. Beta, there may be any question in which this can come. I am just giving you from my personal view. Okay, beta, just for safety. Although it is not expected because the proposed dividend concept is not there, still just for the safety. Okay, beta. In that case, we have to check what has been done. Beta, profit and loss is there opening and profit and loss is there of year ending. Yes. Date of acquisition is there. Yes. Please see. This is what? This is date of acquisition. Yes. In the current year, dividend has been proposed. My question is this one. Opening balance is there 1 lakh and year end balance is there 1,20,000. My question is there. If the dividend has been proposed here, see, proposed dividend, that is 25,000. Now my question is, profit and loss has been reduced or not, everyone? And which profit and loss has been reduced? I am waiting, beta. I am waiting. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Which profit have been affected? Which profit have been affected? Closing balance is there, that is 120. And opening balance is there, that is 1 lakh. It seems that 20,000 is the post acquisition profit. Very good, very good, very good. Current year profit is the correct word. Yes, current year profit have been affected. Very, very good. So beta, see, plus add back the proposed dividend, that is 25,000. Okay, beta. Is this okay, everyone? Then what we shall do here? Tell me. What we shall do here? Of course, time adjustment will be there. Time adjustment will be there and so on. Very good. Now, my question is for next one. Since the proposed is not expected, so I am not discussing anything more. I have already covered some extra. The last point is there. Directly paid. Beta C. Without proposal, directly dividend is paid. Beta C. There are 2 years. This is first year. This is second year. Profit is there, that is 1 lakh, and here balance is 1,20,000. But in current year, dividend has been paid, that is final dividend paid rupees 46,000. My question is this one. To which year such 46,000 dividend belongs? My question is this, but I want to check some concept so that I may be able to practice with you all the adjustment regarding dividend, because the dividend concept belongs to first group, financial statement chapter. But tell me everyone, 46,000 belongs to first year or second year in which we are at now presenting in the second year. Such 46,000 belongs to first year or second year? I am asking you all. Give me answer. Yes, please let me know to which year such final dividend belongs. Very good, very good. 2 students, I am not taking name. 2 students have answered second year. Beta, that is wrong, because we are standing in second year. Beta, this is what? This is final dividend. This is not the interim dividend. Final dividend is there, which belongs to last year, because instead of proposing, instead of creating provision, no provision has been made. No provision is made. No provision is made. It is directly paid. It means final dividend. Beta, final dividend. You know final dividend? How final dividend? You have also learned in the law. You have also learned in the law. What, sir? Beta, this is what financial year. Yes. And this is what assessment year. Yes. Here is return of income due date. Yes. For that, we have to get the balance sheet audited. And in the annual general meeting, shareholder final the dividend, what the profit must be distributing. Beta, this is the final dividend distribution decision in this annual general meeting. Beta, annual general meeting belongs to annual, that is the last year. Here the balance sheet of last year, P&L of last year are being finalized after getting audit from you all, CA, Chartered Accountant in Practice. Then this balance sheet, audited balance sheet, put it in the annual general meeting and the decision is being taken. So such final dividend belongs to always earlier year. That is directly paid. Beta. So in the question, if you are getting that dividend, final dividend, it means that belongs to earlier year. Now my question is this one. Suppose question has given us this data and the date of acquisition is also there. This is the date of acquisition, beta. This is the date of acquisition, Babu. Date of acquisition, this one. This is what this is, January 1st. This is what 31st December. And date of acquisition is January, February, March, April. 1st April. It means 3 months belongs to pre and 9 months belongs to post. Now my question is how you will prepare analysis of profit. How you will prepare analysis of profit, beta? There will be a cutoff date pre. Please see this. Up to 1st April, everything is pre. Rest is post. P&L balances are there. Yes, these are 1 lakh, that is always pre. And 120 is there. Now my question is, from where such 46,000 have been reduced? Who will answer me? I am waiting, beta. YouTube answer. YouTube student can also answer by giving their likes, comments, share, etc., etc. Beta, tell me everyone. Who will tell me from where such 46,000 have been reduced? Who will answer me? Oh. Who will answer me? From where such 46,000 has been reduced? This 20,000 or 1 lakh? I want to add back. From where such have been reduced, I want to uneffect from the profit in which effect has gone. $20,000 beta. Such final dividend 46,000 was not reduced at the time of calculation of 1 lakh because the provision was not made at that time. It means profit has not been reduced and such 46,000 has been paid during the year. It means closing balance is there that has been calculated after reducing that. It means first we have to add back. Beta, such concept belongs to first group and that is the theme for the second group in this case. Please make a revision of the concept, beta. So we are adding back this 46,000 because such 46,000 was not decided, not provided in the profit. It means such have not been reduced from 1 lakh. It means in the current year, the profit closing balances are after dividend. It means such 20,000 is after dividend. So we are adding back. So the profit earned during the year was 66,000. Now apply the time adjustment, beta. Plus or minus time adjustment. Plus or minus time adjustment. 66,000. You are having some profit that belongs to pre. Okay. Please give some profit to pre. 3 months profit must be reduced from this. So 66,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 12. 66,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 12. It means 16,500 is not the profit that belongs to post, that belongs to pre. That must be shifted to the pre. So that the correct profit must be calculated 116,500 and here 49,500. Beta, this is lengthy chapter. I want to simplify this chapter with the example. After that, I want to take with you all the question of study material. Please do careful practice. Now, dividend, final dividend must be reduced. Final dividend must be reduced from the profit to which such belongs. Now tell me, such 46,000 belongs to this year or last year? Of course, last year. And where the last profit is? The last profit is this one. So it must be reduced from this one. No, हो गया जी. Beta, this is what? This is no, I think I have added 116,500 minus 46,000. That is 70,500. This is what? 49,500. Very good. Very good. Beta, in the next class, we shall be covering rest of the things. Okay, beta? So, for today, that will be enough because otherwise there may be some loss of concept. So I am stopping this one. For today's dividend adjustment has been done. Okay, beta. Abnormal loss has been, loss or gain has been done. And you have already covered the date of acquisition other than balance sheet, beta. And okay. Rest concept will be discussed tomorrow. Means in the next class and along with the question practice. Sir, can you give me homework regarding this dividend? Yes, beta. But I don't want to give you homework for this time because that may create some confusion. I will practice myself with you all. Okay. Okay, then I will be waiting for your feedback, beta. I don't think so. All of the students have given feedback. Please, rest of the students who have not given the feedback, please give your feedback to ICI about my class. इजी चैप्टर है ये. नेक्स्ट टाइम लेक्चर में स्पीड थोड़ा इंक्रीज कर देना. कर दूंगा बेटा. बस एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट सारे हो जाए आलोक. ओके ओके. इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 7 will be covered in the next class. Don't worry. Okay. No, today is no homework. Only one homework is there. Up to this class, everything must be revised with conceptual examples also. Okay, beta. Okay then. Bye bye बच्चों. सर सेशन ओवर कर दीजिए.